Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this PopCat image ID for the picture frame and grow according to game of Roblox. Okay, first you need to get the picture frame crate from the gear shop, and then you can open it to get the picture frame, and you can edit the image ID to get different image guys. And if you want to get this PopCat image, you can add this image ID 625279237. Okay, once you add this image ID, you'll get this pop cat. That's so fun. And yeah, that's about the image ID for this pop cat and grow according to game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.